you, right? As usual.
Yes, let's check what we forecast and what it was. Yeah. You see, interesting that shape of my curve and shape of your curve are really similar, but they are different. I mean, from you understand, from
Different offset, right? And
yes,
different scale.
yes. So you look, you show that at first it will go a little bit up, then down. And look here, it's was like this, then it goes up, goes a little bit down, and in the end you was yes, but still green day is better than red day. Any green day is much better than the best red day. So
Exactly.
we earn money and we can continue our trading. Let's check our results. What we have now.
At Bybit cash flow or at my reports?
At your reports.
Okay. But still, I don't think there is all information for current day after expiration, because Bybit calculates everything at the midnight.
Yes, but still we can see like
Now it's a bit
result.
positive. Yes,
Yeah.
a bit positive.
Yes, you can
Like
see.
a few
And that is
cents.
why I like risk reversal, because when we make risk reversal, the chart is like this. And usually market goes somewhere sharply or stands sideways. And that is why risk reversal is often better than just linear position. Because in if we, for example, yesterday opened short futures or a spot market, then we had minus today. And here we had zone where we have small plus. And if it went downside, then here we had profit. And that is why risk reversal often is preferable compared to like futures or spot. Okay.
It's like you cut that PNL of short position at the middle and prolong the gap with that horizontal line of PNL.
Yes, because usually, as I already told, when market goes down, it fell sharply. So it's not often when market goes down slowly. That is why
Yes,
it's
full
better
position.
to buy put option out of the money than at the money. And we can compensate with far call option and have better PNL chart.
And also, as you remember, the PNL was as follows. So this flat line, then that short, and we also covered short.
Yes, so
So
you
it
mean
is even
that we
better.
had take profit, yeah? Or what you mean?
No, night take profit. Night take profit. We covered the short part of our position.
Yes. So if market went up strongly, then we have limited risk. Yes, I agree.
That's
Because
also cool.
never know when it will be another black swan. And even the best forecasters, as we are, can also make mistakes.
Okay. And also on that bar diagram, there is also like very little
Yes.
green bar, very small.
But I like green color. It's much better than red color.
Agree.
Okay, let's make forecast for today. And at first, I think we should see Vela and check option prices. And make 4 hours, maybe daily, maybe even daily. Make daily chart. Far left corner.
Daily chart. Daily.
Yes, and you can see that today option prices are even lower than previous day. And it is all
Yesterday was 55. Yes, 55,
yeah.
56.
So even geopolitics doesn't make any sense for option sellers. So they think that Ethereum will stand like like a rock and not going anywhere. So that
Sure.
is why today we will also look for buying options.
Mm-hmm. Buying options.
And let's
Buying
also
mean
check
meaning
biggest trades.
opening. Yes. Buying means opening the position long.
Yes, long position, yeah.
Mhm. Uh,
Look,
mhm.
look, I think even with low volatility, people waiting for strong fall. Look,
Mhm.
they buy 180, 1700, and also 2000 option puts. But interesting, maybe when they are selling, this is 29 of May, 29 of
Mhm.
May. So maybe it's like maybe a option put spread or some position like this. So when you buy, for example,
Mhm.
1000 option put many, and then it's like this. So it goes up, and then you
Mhm.
selling options, and then it makes like this. So maybe they count that it will be like not a really big fall. So it can go, for example, from 2000 to 190 or 180, and
Mhm.
then they are ready to take loss because from the right side usually it's also flat. But
Mhm.
anyway, somebody is buying puts, so it's interesting. Yeah.
Mhm.
And you know, when there is a trend on the market, usually even on small time frames, moving average often can be used as support or resistance. So you see here it went to average, go down, average,
Mhm.
go down, average, go down, average, go down. Interesting.
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
But usually it happens only when there is a trend on bigger time frame, because when it's sideways market, for example, on daily or weekly, then usually
Mhm.
it doesn't go anywhere.
Mhm.
Yeah. uh, interesting for me is
More,
interesting how much
more.
depends on zoom. So if you make bigger scale or lower scale, that is why it can really make a difference.
Mm. Maybe you should draw on your in trading view on your part, because seems like more pessimistic as usual than my prediction. I mean, okay,
Okay.
like that one. Okay.
But at least we agree on down forecast. So we both wait for strong movement downside.
Maybe Roma, because you programmed us and me particularly that because of that supporting lines, SMAs, that there should be uh, downwards movement. Think
Maybe.
about it.
I don't know. We can never know because we need to have to be strong inside to not being easily change opinion when somebody is speaking something. Because
Yes, exactly.
President Trump told last year a lot that crypto should go up, and you see it doesn't help. So it
Exactly.
still.
That is contradiction to your thesis, you know.
Yes,
So this
but
is that
you forgot
supporting
that
there.
I already told that this works when there is a trend on bigger scale.
Hmm.
So if, for example, you can see trend on weekly time frame, then usually 1 hour is working.
Trend.
Yes, you can see that there are
What's the trend?
strong downside weeks, last 2 weeks, and when
Ah, I see.
understand, yeah.
Mm,
So
mm,
when the market is going strong down or strongly up, usually on smaller time
mhm.
frames, moving average are performing good, and you can use them. Okay, let's try to make position in position builder. I think today it can be rather simple because options are cheap and the easiest position is to buy some options. So we expect, as we discussed about, so your forecast was about 2030. Mine was very pessimistic, 1940. Yes, maybe it's like biased because I'm thinking about all this politics, about oil, about US and Middle East and so on. That is why we will use something in the middle. So let's buy, I think, maybe 270, 2075 put. Let's check how much it costs. So it costs now 8.2. 8.2. Okay, 8.2. And check how much it will cost if price go to 2030. In Bybit, we have only 20 steps, so let's 2040 check and 2020.
2040.
So 66.
It should be around 45, I think. No, not
Yes,
45.
for $1
Around
we
30.
get $10 profit, so it will be
Around 35.
I think 37.
37, yes. 35, 37,
Yes,
approximately.
and how much we spent? $8, yeah. So
So
it's like about
37.
4.5x. And let's
Yes,
check
exactly.
2050. 2050 option.
2050 price is 4.3,
Yeah.
and the price at expiration, if the spot price will go down, will be 2020 and 2040, right?
Yes, so 2020 is 6x. So
So 50,
2030
15, 15
like
maybe.
yes, 15. Yes, 15, it's about 4x, a little bit less. But we have two
No,
forecasts.
3.
Your is less pessimistic, mine is more pessimistic. So let's expect that it can go to 2000. And I think that if it will go to 2000, 2050 put will be better.
Okay.
So I
Let's
think
go
we
to the
can
third
buy
one.
this small position, point 1. We have still 4-5 trades in front, and after we will apply more complicated position sizing.
Okay. So I'm opening the terminal, our terminal.
Yeah, sure.
So limit order, Ethereum, tomorrow date, and 2050 put.
Yeah.
And
4.1.
we are buying 0.1. Order price is 4.1, right? Yeah, double check, please. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I like the position.
Okay,
Let it
submitted.
be big profits. Okay.
So current position is of quantity 0.1 Ethereum.
Yeah, okay. And now we can put take profit, $50.
Reduce position, $50, sell position percent, and $50, right? Yes, order is opened.
Okay, my friend. I was happy to see you today, and I'm glad that we have been in streak already 3 days. Hope that this option will also go to profit, but probability is not big because when you buy in options, probability is not so big. And all people who are watching our channel will be happy if you give us like, subscribe, and put some comments and maybe give some feedback.
Bye.